post-Thanksgiving regret feeling when you wake up the next morning swearing that you'll start over on Monday? Yeah, no, we're not doing that this year. Thanksgiving doesn't have to derail your progress. And it also doesn't have to be dry turkey and sadness. I'm gonna walk you through my 5 holiday nutrition non-negotiables that will help you enjoy the day, stay in control, and still look and feel good when it's over. Here's the truth. Most people gain 1 to 5 pounds between Thanksgiving and New Year's. But that's not the real problem. The problem is they never lose it. That becomes next year's starting point, and the year after that. It's not the meal, it's the mindset. So instead of holiday damage control, I want you to walk in with strategy, not stress. Let's get into 5 non-negotiables that will change the way you experience the holidays, starting now. Non-negotiable number 1, your plate is your plan. This is not the day to starve yourself before dinner. That's rookie behavior. Skipping breakfast to save calories always backfires. You arrive starving, your blood sugar's low, and suddenly you're on your second plate before you even realize what happened. Eat a solid breakfast with protein, fiber, and water. Something like eggs and fruit, or a protein shake with greens. That keeps your hunger hormones steady so you can walk in calm, not ravenous. When it's go time, build your plate with purpose. Half veggies for volume and micronutrients. A quarter lean protein. Is that turkey, chicken, whatever your main source is. A quarter carbs or starches like potatoes, stuffing, or corn. Then intentionally choose 1 or 2 joy foods. If you love stuffing, have stuffing. If pie is your thing, have the pie. But don't just eat everything because it's there. You're not a food vacuum. This is about being selective, not restrictive. Number 2, smart swaps, not sad ones. Healthy doesn't mean boring or bland. It means upgrading what you already love. Roast your turkey instead of deep frying it. You'll cut fat, keep flavor, and use Greek yogurt or cottage cheese instead of sour cream or heavy cream in dips, mashed potatoes, or casseroles. You'll get more protein and less fat. Bake or air fry your sides instead of drowning them in oil. Make your cranberry sauce with real cranberries, orange zest, and honey instead of syrup. And load your plate with color. Roasted carrots, Brussels sprouts, green bean salads, not just a mountain of beige. When your plate looks like a rainbow, your body's getting antioxidants, fiber, and hydration. Beige equals bloat. Color equals energy. You don't have to diet-ify Thanksgiving. You just have to make small, smarter choices that still taste amazing. Number 3, mind your mental calories. Here's what I mean by that. Stress, guilt, and shame all count as mental calories. You can eat a perfect meal and still feel heavy if you spend the entire time criticizing yourself or worrying about what others think. Here's the rule. No moral value is attached to food. There's no good pie or bad pie. There's just pie. The goal is awareness, not anxiety. Eat slowly. Actually taste your food. Put the fork down between bites. Be present. Laugh, talk, take your time, enjoy yourself. And when you're full, stop. Not stuffed, not uncomfortable, just satisfied. If grandma insists you have seconds, you can still be respectful and say no. She'll survive. You can't preach self-control and people-pleasing in the same breath. You owe no one an explanation for eating in alignment with your goals. It may upset them, they'll have to figure that out, not you. Number 4, move your body, even just a little. No, you don't have to crush a 2-hour workout on Thanksgiving morning, unless you want to, but you do need to create some movement in your day. Start with a walk before or after the meal, or both. Play with the kids, help clean up, stretch, do a few bodyweight squats or push-ups in the morning. It's not about burning calories, it's about regulating blood sugar, improving digestion, and keeping your nervous system balanced. Movement literally changes your biochemistry. You'll crave less sugar, handle stress better, and feel grounded instead of sluggish. Most holiday overeating is really emotional eating, and movement helps you process those emotions before they hit the plate. Move your body, shift your state, protect your energy. And 5, have a leftover strategy. The holiday doesn't end when dinner does, and that's where most people lose control. Leftovers can be a gift or a trap. Here's your game plan. When the meal's done, pack things immediately into single portions. Keep what you truly enjoy, not everything that's left. Freeze a few meals so you have ready to go lunches in December instead of another day of grazing. And decide right now that Friday is back to normal, not day 2 of the feast. One meal didn't make or break your progress, but repeating it for 4 days, yeah, that might. The goal isn't to get back on track Monday. It's to never leave the track in the first place. Here's your recap. You don't need to earn or burn your Thanksgiving meal. Build your plate, swap smart, move often, manage your mindset, and plan your leftovers. Pick one non-negotiable from today and actually do it this year. Drop me a comment below. What's your non-negotiable this Thanksgiving? I'll be reading and replying them personally. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. Be present, be proud, and remember, one meal doesn't define you, but how you own it, that's the real transformation. Happy Thanksgiving. Send this to your guests so you're all on the same page.